Hey Web3 TV friends, my name is Ornella Hernandez, and today I'm at the STEP conference to learn about all things tech. I'm sitting here with Conor, who is the co-founder and CEO of a company called Avantgarde. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
I'm well, so tell me how it's going so far at the conference.
Yeah, it's been a great day so far. I had a talk earlier this morning about Hub 71 and the ecosystem that we're part of in ADGM, and otherwise networking, meeting potential investors, and having great conversations like this, so I can't complain.
All right, so Avantgarde is a digital assets management firm. You guys were part of the Hub 71 accelerator in Abu Dhabi, but you have graduated now.
Correct, as of about 2 weeks ago, yes.
Okay, congrats. So tell me what that means, like what's next for Avantgarde.
100%. So we went through like a 10, 12-week kind of process where we had different experts come in and talk to us about a range of crypto topics. At the end of it, it culminates with an investor day. So we sit down with about 12 different VCs and have like one-on-one conversations about the business and, pitch to them essentially. And then from that point onwards, when we quote unquote graduate, we're still part of this ecosystem. So we have regular events, catch-ups, networking with different projects on our specific cohort. And just ongoing support with like any requests that we have in the region and then that sort of thing.
Okay. So what are you guys focusing on the moment then as a crypto management firm? Is there like certain companies that you are looking to work with, or what's the focus right now, February 2024?
Yeah, so like our big focus just in general as a business is to onboard capital into our crypto funds. So we launched our first fund back in August of last year. It's an equal weight fund, so it tracks the top 10 most liquid tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. And so far performance has been great compared to like if you just bought and held ETH or Bitcoin. We've outperformed both of them pretty significantly.
Okay, so what's the strategy there?
So it's basically like we looked at the marketplace and saw that most crypto funds are market cap weighted, which means that they correlate more towards the performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's say you have a basket of 10 assets. In a market cap weighted fund, it's going to be like 60, 70% Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not necessarily a bad thing, but we thought like, can we actually outperform those two assets? And so in our equal weight fund, instead of a market cap, we have 10 assets and they're all equally weighted. So like 10% holdings on each of them. And we backtested that data and saw that if you actually have an equal weight, it outperforms quite dramatically over time.
Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe I should go to you for tips.
Yeah.
For investing tips.
If you've got $500,000, we'll onboard you tomorrow.
Okay, that sounds nice. All right. And so how did you even get into cryptos? Was there like a moment or a memory that you have when someone first mentioned crypto or Bitcoin to you?
Yeah, I mean, I heard about it years ago through friends and stuff and never really took it seriously. I don't think it was until 2018 when I just stumbled across a YouTube video talking about Bitcoin. And from there, I kind of went down the rabbit hole, learned about Ethereum, and yeah, couldn't stop at that point. So I had to end up moving my career into the space.
Oh, okay. So then if you had to choose to invest in only one, would it be Bitcoin or Ethereum?
I would pick Ethereum just because I think there's more upside. I think it's proven itself over time now that it's a deflationary asset at this point as well. So I like the fact that it's like a composable ecosystem that you can build on top of, whereas Bitcoin's a bit more of a solitary asset, let's say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you heard about restaking Ethereum?
Yes.
I've been looking into that. Have you done that at all?
I personally haven't. It's not a strategy that we've run at the business, but it's something we're looking into. I mean, we've worked with a couple of different like liquid staking protocols to help them kind of generate revenue before they've launched. But yeah, restaking is something that's pretty interesting too.
Yeah, I've been looking into that recently, trying to just up my portfolio.
Yeah.
All right. And then are there any other trends that you're looking at right now? Are you happy that Bitcoin's going up? Are you looking into NFTs, gaming at all?
Yeah, I mean, I think like for us, we want to launch funds and different investment strategies that will perform the best over time. So we have quite an open mind in terms of the assets that we would hold and the strategies that we'd run. I think like tokenization is really interesting, and that's something that probably has like the most practical use case today across different industries. So I think in 2024, we'll see more of that. Above and beyond that, look, we're just happy to be here and excited to take part.
Okay. How would you describe the Web3 community in Dubai or in Abu Dhabi?
In Abu Dhabi, it's actually surprisingly good. Like I was a little bit skeptical before I moved out here because you hear great things, but you're never sure if reality will actually match the expectation. But if you follow ADGM, like every single week they have a new press release announcing a partner they're working with. So I think 2 weeks ago they announced Bridge Tower Capital is moving to the Middle East. $250 million crypto platform. Coinbase Asset Management is moving their operations here. So
I did not know that.
Solana has a new partnership with them. I know there's a lot of stuff happening. So yeah, it's a really exciting place to be part of for sure.
Okay. And then what are you looking forward to for the rest of this quarter and first half of the year, personally and career-wise?
Yeah, I mean, well, personally, loving the weather. The fact that we can do this outside is great. You can't do this in London, so that's for sure. As a business, we want to acquire an asset management license in the UAE. We still don't have that, so we're limited in terms of what we can and can't do. But I'd say that's our primary goal, and continue to network and meet new people and expand the business.
Okay. And what's the best way for someone to get in touch with you or to learn more about Avantgarde?
You can go to our website, avantgarde.finance, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn. It's Conor Gilmore with one N. And yeah, happy to have a conversation.
Okay. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Conor.
Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
And everyone, stay tuned for more interviews coming out of the STEP conference.